I'm going to show you how to tie on a button. It's a really nice decorative addition to a softie. Basically, I've got the button here, and I'm using a thicker embroidery floss because it gives a nice end. You'll see why in a moment. I've tied a knot in the thread right down here, but that's not necessary. It just makes sure that the thread doesn't get pulled through. So I've got my button, and I'm going to position it about here, hold it. I'm going to put the needle through, and as I pull, you see when I get to the knot, it's going to stop. With older kids, you don't need to put the knot in because that just leave it. Now I'm going to come back up through the buttonhole, and now I'm just going to tie that in a little knot once and tie it a second time. Make sure it's nice and secure. And now I'm just going to snip the ends of my thread. You can leave them very long or short, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to there. And there's your button, and if you want you can just pull the threads apart a little to give a different sort of look.